Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimantu mabuyu bambo lunyu hlase. Ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala, sorry about that. Into engifuna ukuyisho bafethu iyodwa. Uma ukuthi unomuntu othandana naye and ufila ngathi usekujwayela kabi. Or ufila kari wawuhlwayela. Or ufila kari wawukhenya. Come to me, ngizokwenzela umsebenzi wakho ube lula. This is Angisakufuni. Thank you so much to all the viewers that have been viewing the show all along. Basahamba nathi namanje. We see you and we know that you see us. Today we are bringing you nothing but the best shows, guys. Into engifuna ukuyenza nje ukuthi abantu ngiyafisa ukuthi bahlukane mabebona ukuthi basey'inkingeni. And mabebona ukuthi i-relationship ngathi sithanda kuba toxic. Umuntu ayenza i-decision enzima amlahle lowo muntu noma ngabe umthanda kanjani umubone nje ngathi yakujwayela nje mshiye oyithola enye indoda yabo and umubone athi ufuna ukukhala ukhona welcome okumangaza ngehakhe okumangaza. After the break, I'm going straight to it. You know, it's King Ginger, cream de la cream, shendere bobo, squeeze baba, please take me to it. Mzansi, bathi kuhlekwa noma kufiwe, noma kubheda kuyahlekwa. One thing I want to say to you is that ngiyanithanda and ngiyawathanda ama relationships wenu. Hayi ukuthi mina isifiso sami ngihlala ngifuna ukubona abantu bekhala emjolweni. Hayi ukuthi ngihlala ngifuna ukubona Kodwa vele basuke bengakhali ngani khona emjolweni ngoba phela into emnandi yakhalisa ngoba ngisho abantu be sex la bayakhala bona umuntu esekhaya khaliswa i-round. So namhlanje sicela ukubona abakhaliswa ukuhlukana. Uma isister uyangibhalela uthi King Ginger, I need your help. Naki ngwana wako Pitori and kayiki hlile emjolo unshapa kampama. Ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mlethe welcome first. Mlethe first. Sengithembe wena. Mamas.
Chumela.
Okay. Kana wadula.
Thank you.
For the first time I see someone owazi ukuthi i-gentleman yona kumele ukuthi mhlalise phansi. Kwena mang and why uringoletse and uringoletse for in.
Okay, lebitso la ka ke Melissa, ke tswa ko Pretoria West, ko Atteridgeville. Well, ke ngwadile because ha ke sa batla motho go jolang le ene. Like erikiwa Karing khosumutsa go le monate when he started. Nego no rai, he's my soulmate because Haritoma, it was nice. Ke motho le gore o straightforward. If he doesn't like something, just say it, okay, I don't like 1 2 3. And Haritoma, it was nice, but then as time goes by, Gabono rai, this is not love because one controller, no, I'm not allowed to talk to male people. Lidi cousin tsaka ha sanya ke bua le tsone tsa bashimane tshwantse tse bore mo founung yaka ke bua le bomang ha ke bue le bomang ke etsang ke na le mang and I'm not allowed to put body makeup. I'm not allowed to do certain hairstyle like bona no banyana ba kinya di frontally. I'm not allowed to do that. Umplelori o sharp o le yalo naturally. I'm not allowed to go ngare out. I had a business ne ke rekisa like body aparo, body sneaker. Then I had to stop because now Plelor utlo kopana le di male clients and ha ke batle ntho ba tlo shela. So I had to stop because of taba eo. So ka bona I can't because he's controlling me now.
So le bareo Eric ma o itshela ukuthi wena you feel like you are being controlled. Iring yona.
I love you and it's not me being controlling, it's me taking care of what I love and I don't want other people to take that thing from me.
Eric Kwala. Uyalizwa negama lakhe ngathi igama lama security Eric. Ukujwayela kabi. So wena siswami, at first what is it that you loved about this Eric man?
What I loved about him at first, Kuri, I've always wanted a relationship whereby a guy Babani shows what he's interested in me. Bo getting flowers, he used to do that. Oh, like he used to do that, Hatoma. Then bo, okay, but I'm taking you out on a date. So obvious, Nikila Marathon was happy because that's what I wanted.
Okay. So ubatla ufuna ukuthini kuyena makafika lana, what is it that you want to tell him today? Because I've
tried, but then it's like I'm losing myself trying to save this relationship, trying to be in a relationship whereby I'm not free. What's the point of being in a relationship if I'm not free? So I accept khona shem. So ke nyaka mlela fela gore go fedile, hope he finds someone else gore he's going to treat her better, a tlo mo treata the same way na ntreata ka teng.
Shosho wena manje usuyitholile indoda enje?
I want nothing to do with men.
Sister musukhala yazi akusho ukuthi wonke amadoda ayinkinga. Sister musukhala
Ale tlhaloganya. Because
ukushintshile ne
everything about me, I lost friends because of it. Akusana dichomi.
Even your cousins, they're turning against you because of a man.
Banjiketsa basanya ko utlwa nix because they were like it's more and I was like Kamurata is gonna change, but then until when Kinzikiri he's gonna change, but he's not changing, like uber worse day by day.
Welcome mfethu. Awehlisela umtshita lo lapha ebhasini. So I want to know welcome. Ngicela uze naye slow. Ngifuna ukumbukeza lapha and wenze sure ukuthi mawubuya naye la ungabisahlehlela kude kakhulu because indoda controlayo isho ukuthi indoda ene short term. Ngenzela ukuthi mawuthi uyapaquza namkhinyela esitulweni. Showcase. So sister, I have two options because I can see ukuthi you are hurt. Do you want him to go back where he stays with a taxi? Because angithi ngize nanoyi too manje ngelo udumetsi yangibile yena khutla li wena go khapa yi
I was like I'm invited to this thing ya gore go etsa di aerobics ke one of my mother's cousin. So kopa go tsama, then I was like okay, if o tlo tsama wa apere crop top o ka tsama apere crop top. I was like okay, tsama le nna ge if na or maybe go bona bashimane because was like o nyaka ba o bone ke a bona re wa nyatsa na setsa thomile gape re ke mo nyatsa nyaka ba mpone. So atla le nna because I'm not allowed to wear like this, I'm not allowed to go out ka apere so
o nyetse did marry you
next le go gaya ba tsebile le khomo I one ya gage
kene ole woza naye. So re na le options a two. It's either re mkhutlisa sa ka taxi re mo fa 50 rand o palama taxi or o khutla le wena le rona ka bus. So which one you choose?
Atsama ka taxi
50 rand. Okay. Ahlale lalo obafo awuputi ngiyaphila ngane bafa. So bethu sihleli nomama lana uyazi lokho yasichazela ngawe the way umphethe kahle ngakona the way umthanda wena wathini oyithandayo ngaye?
Everything bafo. Umphatho yakhe, ubuhle bakhe. She's intelligent, yabona. Yakwazi nokucommunicate. Yabona.
Yeah.
Ile ngathi everything.
Yeah.
Ngathi everything.
Ngathi everything.
Yeah.
Wena seswami so wena my brother umucabanga uzomshada umamazi?
Yebo masifile isikhathi.
Uzomshada yebo. Okay, umamazi kunento afisa ukuxoxela yona.
Okay.
Sister, kupa umubulele umutshele konke.
okay. Sure, safe.
Yeah, no, don't worry.
Okay, so the reason why ke utlisitse mo, first of all ke nyaka go kopa maitshwarelo gore I lied to you ke re di aerobics because no settle the aerobics. I knew gore if I were to tell you gore re somewhere then no tlo gana because obvious gona le majita, as you can see gore gona le majita and I'm not allowed to talk to male people. So the reason I ke utlisitse mo ke gore nyaka go bolela gore ke kgathetse ke this relationship. Ke kgathetse ko ena o try go controla bophelo ba ka. Ke ra gore ke kgathetse a ksanya ka nix.
Kanjani?
Like just like that, aksanya ka nix ke khathetse.
Mtshela iqiniso sister nje ukuthi ukhathazwe yina umuthi ukhathele awusafuni ukuthi uqonda ukuthini. Mtshela ukuthi uzomtshela ukuthina mubulele straight usika siya nix usika muthaba.
Ke nyaka go bolela gore go fedile between nna le wena, like it's over.
Hayi, ngiyambhedela ke manje.
Uqonda ukuthini ukuthi uyakubhedela?
Uyambhedela ukuthi it's over kanjani?
Ukhuluma kanjani nomuntu wesifazane mawuthi uyakubhedela kutshela ukuthi asakufuni?
Kanjani? Kwenzakaleni?
Mchazele sister ukhuluma.
Because Arithoma, everything was fine, no le sharp, you were loving. As time goes by, no, I got tshwana go apara dilo tse di so, I got tshwana go go di plekeng tse di so. I got tshwana go
umfazi wami, ntombi
yakho
angamshada, angamlobola.
manje indaba umtreat ngathi umfazi wakho. ukuthatha wena ukuthi wena umthathele inqumo ukuthatha wena ukuthi umtshele ukuthi kumele enzeni kumele ngenzini nini uyazi ukuthi ingane yomuntu le
ngiyazi kodwa yena sengihamba eqhwane nezitete ezifishane la estradeni
umshadile yini
angimshadanga
phone ubani ukunika imvume ukuthi ube in control impilo yalengane iyakusaba ngisho ukukusaba manje saba ngisho ukukhuluma yini inkinga yakho
so wayengantshela ngendlela ezandleni
bezokutshela kanjani ngoba uzomgolozela ngithi kade uqeda uthi uyambhedela wena la
hayi vele uyambhedela
qoqula imlakho awuthi yami
hayi uyambhedela ube yisimple lento le ubuya kunjela endlini wayentshela khona lana
sister mtshele lo ukuthi awusamfuni
Akusawubadla, it's over. I can't do this anymore.
Nengane yakhala
so awusamfuni ngendaba yokuthi angifuni ugqoke khona impahla ongafuni uzigqoke
akasenabangani lo mntwana ngenxa yakho yini inkinga yakho
Akusana le business.
akana business ngenxa yakho uthi wena kuzothenga amadoda kulo business uyayiphi imali lengane
yebo ngiyamnikeza imali
uyayimi
Bokai. 100 rand. Kishala.
100 rand ayisomali
Okay, it's 100 rand in this economy.
kade ezenzela imali more than that yena uyenzelani lento yenzayo mfethu so lalela ke mfethu ukuthi ingane ifuna ukuthini kuwena mubulele
Ngiyaka ublelori. I hope one day you'll find someone who will treat better. You're not gonna try to control them. Ntwene ngitsa yone le gore hakusana dichomi hakusana business hakusana nix kuri kinoba motho
nishabo omzala bakhe abasamkhulumisi ngenxa yakho ungenaphi
kodwa bebe soyikhona ukuyikhuluma le ndaba ngithi
Honing, I try to talk to you.
ukuthi ngiyenze kanjani
Haka try last time wamplelori when you are the head.
maybe la ufike ngendlela errong sikhuluma ngendlela errong
ukhuluma ngendlela errong kanjani ngikubuzile mina ukuthi umfazi wakho lo yini ngikubuzile ukuthi wayikhipha imini inkomo la awukwazi ukuyenza lento yenzayo ngiyakukhuza njalo ngikutshela ngaqoqula imlakho wathi lengane yakubhedela ngaqoqula imlakho wathi lengane yakubhedela usela ngestroke esisodwa yakutshela and mfethu ngiyacela ukuthi ungisize mfethu lengane mayithi njengoba ithi ayisakufuni manje akasafuni lokhu umlandela ulokhu umcefezela usitholile isikhathi sakho wahluleka yinto sazoyichaza nje kulezi zinto ayichazayo
abengazi ukuthi kubi ngaleyo ndlela kodwa mina baby
Mara honing kibuya I try to talk wena ha nagana if I were to tell you okay don't talk to your friends because when on le chobi tse more than 5 nak na le chobi A1 you always go out with your friends I don't ask get nix mara if it's me it's a problem I can't live in fear anymore ke khathetse
hayi fear yona yikho hayi ku clear yini wena uyayibona ni fear my brother
ifike kubani
ngiyabuza nje unibona ngathi kune fear yini la or wena uyifear yini
lutho yona ifear
ungabi fear out yami because mfethu ngifuna ukukutshela usazoyithola enye intombi ungabi fear ngoba le hayi le yakusaseyona yakho kwaku intombi yakho and ke kodwa
sengazi ifike kuleso stage sokuthi uyandahla
akusanya
hamba amakhamera nalo mfo bantu
ufakazi King Ginger
nalo ujinja
yabona nje
sowazi ulahle ngaphambi kwakhe
kena motho nakangithusa fela he's the only person who can help me
imene ngisiza abantu futhi upedile yazi nguwe mina ngabe ngithi ngiyaxolisa ngokutripletha impilo yalengane but vele nalelo xolo ngeke lenze lutho ngoba vele lobe lingaqhamuka enhlizweni awuthi yami lobe liqhamuka enhlizweni kanjani umphethe kanje kanjani ubenza kanje
kodwa bengazi ukube
omzala bakhe ungazi usolo umzali ukuthi bayamqoqoda
hayi kodwa naye ngendlela yakhuluma la ngabazala bakhe laba hayi
awuthami leli bus esinilethe ngalo ke mfowethu wena no my sister unfortunately wena likushiya la wena sokunika u50 rand ukuthi ubuyelele lokushini uzohamba ogibele eBree ama taxi ayikasi lakho uzowathola lapha eBree welcome
impela baby
uzomnika u50 rand lo wokuthi hamba ubamba itaxi lapha abamba itaxi lapha from laphana Bree
ngiyacela sithando sami
so right sister ngayi
ngiyacela mina ngifike kule stage lesi asima kancane ngojinja sami soyikhuluma endlini
hayi
ngiyakonketha ngerike nakondlu
funa menzani
angeke ngikwenze lutho
uzomgoqa umsabise
ngeke ngimsabise sikhuluma kahle
ugcina umqabula angihlale uhlale wenza kanjalo ngithi unyanyile musu
sifuna uhamba nabo jinja
itsini somambisa yebo itsini somambisa wena ngithi ukuphi 50 rand
Ngisayifile
yina
bona.
ufuni nalo
Safe nabo.
yina ufuni nalo 50 rand
Vele ubuthethe inamba kaJinja.
ngiyabhalelwa mina
Hawu so babe usozofika lesi stage uthi uyabhalela uJinja ngisho
Yeah.
ukuthi ukhulume nami kahle.
akukhulumeki nawe
I can't talk to you whenever I try to talk to you.
But now we are talking now.
Are we talking or no se tsumpelo re ksatla utlwela? Like uno lose temper nje.
No,
Le no ke tsuhile.
ngeze ukuthi ngiluze ithemba ukuthi ungiletha lana. Yabona. Sizame ezinye indlela. Yabona sakwazi ukuthi sikhulume kahle. Nami ngithukile man landwa lana ebhasini ukuthi uthe sizalana ku interview. Uzolana zoyenza yoga aerobics angazi lezi zinto lezi enizenza. Manje jikijiki so yiloko sesiyandlahla.
Klompotso re why did I lie to you gore re tla re tlwetsa di aerobics? Cause ha o nyake ke apara so, ha o nyake ke tsama. That's why I lied. I kere o nkapile like I'm gonna go with you because o apere so. So how am I supposed to leave Tanturi everywhere go ke tsama le wena? Le nna I need my own space.
So sangisamla ungqambela amanga just uzondlahla la ipakeni. Hawu baby kodwa ungaze ungenze kanje.
yeah
That's the only
Funeka
thing I
camera.
had.
yebo ufune kwenze kanjani wena zonke lezi ntathu menza zona zonke lezi inyanga
Bese
lengane
ikhuluma le
isishintsha
nto
ukuqoka ayifaki ngisho ifrontal lengane uwe uthi u right natural kanje kahle mfowethu wena smooth talker
No angiyosona smooth talker.
and wena unayo intombi yazi wena ubuya ngathi uneyintombi umthetho okhuluma mnandi kanje
Angazi ngakujolela.
uyashiblika
Awuyazi, babe.
uyashiblika angisho ukuthi uwamjolela but ngiyakuzwa nje ukuthi uyashiblika shusena kubantu besimame ungena ushiblika uyibhotela
Hayi kodwa baby kodwa sangisami. Singayikhuluma nje le nto sihlale phansi sikhuluma. Uyabona?
Akusakhona. I can't.
Hawu kodwa sangisami.
Lena I need my own life back.
Siqala ukuhlangana baby.
That was the worst day of my life.
Habu usho kanjani into njalo kodwa baby?
Because ever since I met you, I have nothing. I can't show me nothing because of wena. Then you tell me gore ke hopefully that day. I regret that day. I cursed the day I met you.
yeah because wakutrika ne
He lied to me and made this fake promise that all gonna do 1 2 3 gonna do 1 2 3 and nele maka fell in order for him to control me.
Hawu baby ngiyacela.
hayi ungumthinti
Ngiyacela.
susena lesandla sakhe emathangeni ami
Ngayilungisa le nto le.
ngikutshelile welcome ngathi le ndoda lena
Singayilungisa.
ngathi izoba inkinga le ndoda ngikutshelile ngathi izoba inkinga
Ngakhona ukuyilungisa baby le nto le. Serious.
It's beyond repair.
Sibe right.
It's beyond repair. No re ka fixa nix. The time
Okay,
ene
get
go
your
fixa this.
business back. Uzohamba ngiyoxolisa kubazala bakho ngizoya kini okay. Awukweni phela bona. Just make it up for you.
how wena
Ngizimisele.
Shalobola manje.
Take a loan ebank. Khambe ngiyokhokha lobola.
angishilo ngathi mfana smooth talk
Ngiyacela baby. I can even do it now. I can even apply now. Phambi kwaJinja ngi-apply manje.
I can't. It's not about lobola boy. Ngawusina umpatela lobola you tell me gore I paid for you. Tabesi lobola.
Ngiyeke kuze kube njalo. Ngiyapromise ngizotshintsha sona sami.
I can't. Go fedile. There's nothing you can talk about. Lipilo aka. Nayisanya ka nix.
excuse sister angithami singakunika u50 rand noma mhlawumbe usazohamba uyolanda loan
Ngizana 50 rand.
hawu kahle cha phela ngeke sihambe nawe ngemoto thina asambi nje nawe
Uzondilethela la mali zongishiya la
angithi ngiyakubuza ukuthi ngikunike 50 rand yokugibela itaxi free hawu welcome awumthathe futhi lo mjida ngisakho safe eduze akaze
Okay awuthi ngikhulume kokugcina ke.
khuluma kokugcina
Sanzwa ngicela nje uthole nje ispace enhlizweni yakho. Uzame nje ukungixolela. Ngiyakuthembisa nami ngizotshintsha. Ngiyakucela Sanzwa.
You only change for yourself. Akaskari you gonna change for me. If unyaka a change in your life, you need to do it because you want it, not because you wanna prove a point to me. So utlo change today, tomorrow you tell me, "Horo, I changed for you." Then trust me, don't end to that point or you'll be controlling me. Next time you utlo
ukuzumile ne
Awuzumile.
ukubumlindele bezomcross
Yeah, ngizozama iplan.
yabona
Khona into engizoyenza.
yabona awuthi ngifuna ukutshela something khona uzotshela nabanye abazama ukwenza iplan mina ngiplanelwa yeah mfowethu ngizocela nje ukuthi uunderstand ukuthi ngempela lengane ikuzumile yakubamba futhi hlukana nelengane ayisakuthanda or otherwise emva kwalokho izokufakela i-protection order uzobolela ejele uthathe lo 50 rand engikunika wona u5 by 10 walk la phezulu ogibela ama-taxi aye-Bree from eBree
Sabazokushiya nje estradini lana.
akasafuni ukuthi uhambe nathi ebhasini
Sona baby yavume nje lana.
yeah ibumnika welcome ibumcaphuna welcome ahambe lo azoyogibela lo hamba ungazishonelwe ilanga la kukude lana la uhlala khona yini
wena so into yenzayo la uletha intombi ezosilahla lana
yini wena iyo lento yenzayo ukuthi ucontrol amantombazane
so yajabula
yafuna ngixuzule ngade ngihalele yazweni ukukusoconga wena eqaleni usangaphinda lamagama athi washo
uzongitholela intombi kodwa
usangaphinda lamagama athi washo njengoba ubukisa lana phambi kwentombi yakho ngikhuluma nawe ungiqhaphaza phambi kwentombi yakho ngeke ungicontrol ke mina mfana wami yeah uyosiza ukuthi ucooperate baba you must cooperate
ngempela ngihamba
akusona isithandwa sakho lesi we-Eric wena we-Eric wena wema-era lolu cingo lolu Eric lingihlukumeza but lo mfana lona uyashelela bekufanele nithandane uzizwa njani
I'm happy. The other part of me is happy. Okay, safe. Go safe now. I won't have someone to control me. But then the other part of me is sad because 8 months ago, fell
down the drain.
I'm left with memories, not nice memories, I would say. And
it feels like you were arrested and you just came out from prison.
You know, that time went by. Somebody highly depressed. Then finally we get a light. Maybe when you're admitted at the hospital, then like you don't have that happiness. You just have that thing, or one day I'm gonna go out. So finally I'm gonna try to get my life back in order. Everything's be sharp.
No problem siswami. Yazi into engizocela ukuyenza yini? Ngizokwenza sure ukuthi masisuka lana sizoorganizela i-counseling so that ukwazi ukuthi wehlise umoya ube right ukwazi nanokuthi uyidlulise lesimo lesi. We gonna pay for it. There is one that we use la eBramfontein. So we gonna go there ukwazi ukuthi sik-applyele ukuthatha ama-session akho so that you can be okay ukwazi ukumove on ngempilo because ngiyabona ukuthi lento le really ikudepressile. So kwenza sure nje ukuthi siyayibhadalela for everything.
I would appreciate that. Keleboga so much.
Well, welcome. Ngicela umthathe umfake ebhasini and then we're gonna be driving straight to Ebram now, ne? Yeah, mthathe. Guys, it's not easy, bafethu. As I always say, umjolo uyanyisa and it comes with different dynamics. So the way izinto engakhona, it's not looking bananas. Yeah, into soyenza, we're gonna take my sister straight to eBramfontein sikwazi ukuthi simise kwi-counseling and then akwazi nanokuthi azi nanokuthi ama-dates akhe to come to i-counseling azoba mangaki nini kanjani so that sizokwazi ukuheala adlule kulento. But bafethu, you must be careful ey'ntweni eniy'faka kuzo because abanye bangena kanje bengabe besaphuma baphume ngebhokisi. But we are happy today, we saved the soul, we saved the life. Akaphumanga ngebhokisi, uphume sayiphilela and usazoba right. Mzansi, ngiyanithanda. This is King Ginger TV. Take me straight home, Chris.